How to log in into ESS account. So let's get started. First of all, in your laptop or desktop, open up any web browser and on the search URL type in ESS login, then press enter in your keyboard. Now from this interface, head over to the first link on your interface, then click on ESS login. After you click on, you will land on the login page. So first of all, you have to enter your username. Make sure you enter your correct username associated with your account. Under that, enter your password, and there also make sure you enter your correct password. Under that, there is a domain section that is basically DHS. By default, after you're done typing in your username and password, click on this login button. After that, you will be logged into your ESS account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.